Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about this Angarak Yoga of Mars and Rahu in the sign Taurus. In this second house of the natural zodiac, the second house controls the exchanger of the country, the revenues, and also the capacity to invest in stock and financial markets, and also trade. So friends, this conjunction is taking place in the ascendant of the India Foundation chart, where Rahu is already posited, and Rahu and Mars will be transiting over this sign in the ascendant from the 22nd of February to 14th of April. It is believed that till the time Mars is on the mouth of Rahu, it is very bad, and it will remain in this condition from the 22nd of February to 27th of March, when both of them will be at 19 degrees and both will be in Vishgadi. I have also mentioned in my previous videos. Now, as far as India is concerned, the second house is controlled by Gemini, and the Lord is Mercury, and in transit Mercury is also fallen since the 4th of February till 11th of March. It will become direct on the 21st. Today it will become direct, and it will be in a afflicted condition. So the second house is afflicted, the second house of the natural zodiac is afflicted, and Venus controls the prices. And Venus is also ingressed in the sign Aquarius, where Sun is there and getting combusted. The second house of the natural zodiac is afflicted. The second lord of the natural zodiac is afflicted. The second house of the Indian Foundation chart is fallen. So, and Jupiter and Saturn have activated, the second house of the natural zodiac, the Taurus sign, and Jupiter is in debilitation. So friends, my belief is that from the 22nd of February in the early morning, when Mars and Rahu get conjunct at 4:36 hours, and when the stock and financial markets open, there may be a reversal in the trends, meaning the markets have been surging till now. There may be correction in the stock and financial markets, and the markets may also become volatile, especially till the 27th of March 2021. The other thing what I have also predicted is that since the Mars and Rahu will be in Kritika Nakshatra in the beginning, it has to pass through Kritika, Rohini and Mrigshira, and Rahu is in Rohini Nakshatra, and the conjunction of Mars and Rahu in the Rohini Nakshatra is considered most venomous, and all these three nakshatras fall in the central region of India as per Kurma Chakra. So there will be influence in the central part of India. Also, Ketu, the disease Karka, is in Jyeshtha Nakshatra, which is the west, and hence after Mars and Rahu conjunction, there can be surge in the number of coronavirus, and especially in the west and in Maharashtra. There could also be lockdowns. And then I've also mentioned, I've written 3 articles, and I've also mentioned that the farmers' agitation could also take an ugly shape, because Mars, in the solar ingress of Capricorn, the Mars is the lord of the 4th house, and it is getting afflicted. It is getting afflicted by Rahu, and Mars is signified as far as the Capricorn, solar ingress of Capricorn is concerned. The 4th lord is getting afflicted, and the 4th lord of the natural zodiac, the 4th lord of India Foundation chart is Sun, and it will be in the square position from Mars. It will be in the square position from Mars. So it is not good, friends, and it will also be in bearish sign, and Mercury and Venus is already ingressed in the sign Aquarius, and Mercury will also follow suit on the 11th of March. So friends, there are three things which can happen. First is there could be correction in the stock markets. Then, as per the lunation chart of the 12th February, that is also most enigmatic, and the lunation chart of the 27th February also is also enigmatic. So, all put together, that means 1 month, 30 days, starting from 12th of February, are most enigmatic. And if we see the Mars and Rahu conjunction, then till 27th of March. 27th of March is, I have already written and I have already explained the chart of the 27th March. It is most prone, and especially the south and the west part of India will be most influenced as far as all the mishappenings are concerned, explosions are concerned, earthquakes are concerned, political turmoils are concerned, farmer agitation, earthquakes, and then a bearish trend in the stock and financial markets. So this is all I just wanted to say, friends, to caution you all that this, starting from tomorrow, will be the most difficult time as far as the India is concerned, and we have to see how things go. And especially on the stock and financial markets, there will definitely be a correction. You wait and see. I had written this as far as the 21st of February is concerned long back, and we will come to know about it only tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, and then the 27th of February and thereafter. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that one has to be little alert and keep our temperaments low, because Mars joining, Mars is fire energy, and Rahu is oil, and it will work as catalyst for Mars. There could be explosions, as I've already mentioned, explosions, earthquakes, fire, accidents, and then Venus will be in a square position from this conjunction. So there could be accidents as far as the vehicles are also concerned. There could be, on the highway, there could be multiple accidents. So one has to be very cautious in driving, especially on the highways. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. And sorry for making this video late, because and I also predict only at the last minute, because a lot of people, they copy paste. So I want to avoid all that, and this is all I wanted to share. And thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing my videos. Thank you.